Very good morning to everybody. In this lecture, we will discuss about the difference between big data and the traditional BI approach. So after this lecture, you will get idea how BI and big data is comparable. Okay. So first we will discuss about the BI environment. Business intelligence is based on principle of combinations of all business data into a centralized server. So it is a older concept. All the data they will store in a centralized server, and then they are going to analyze the data in offline mode. After that, they show the results. They may store the data into the data warehouse also. So obviously, mostly data are structured and relational database. So they are storing into the tabular format or relational table format in the data warehouse. So that was the earlier concepts when we are much rely on the structured data. Structured data means data following the orientation of data is following certain kind of structure. A good example of structured data is relational database. Nowadays, we are store the data into the big data environment. So data stored in distributed fashions. Mostly one very common tool is used, that is HDFS. And business intelligence, in previous scenario, we store the data into a centralized server. And in the case of big data, we store the data in distributed fashions. Okay. So that is the difference, one prime difference. Previously we are storing centralized, now the things is distributed over the network. So as the data is distributed over the network, it is easy to process and it is very hard the data failure. Okay, failure of the system, total failure of the systems. For total failuring of the systems, you need to require failure for all the distributed nodes. And moreover, it is also mentioned that in the distributed environment, they have stored multiple number of copies. So distributed file system is more safer and flexible. Why it is flexible? Distributed system, you can add, you can scale up easily. Whenever you are required, you can add some extra few nodes. So that's why it is scalable. So the things is the technologically it is changed. It is stored into the distributed fashions, and as it is stored in distributed fashions, it is easy scalable. We can easily scale up, and the possibility of failure is reduced. Suppose if you have n number of nodes, multiple number of nodes, suppose 1-2 nodes are not perform very well, then these things can be managed. Okay, the total system will not be breakdown. So BI solution are more toward the structured data, whereas big data tools process the data in different format, both structured and unstructured. Big data solution can perform on the historical data and the data coming from the real time. Okay, and business analytics is basically business intelligence basically process the historical data sets, whereas big data can able to handle historical data as well as real time data. So big data technology use parallel processing concept, map reducing algorithms to improving the speed of analysis, process the data, and whereas so that is the new things. And in the case of big data business intelligence, they have used still they have used the older things, that is data warehouse and storing into the structured database. So these are the key difference we have noted. The purpose of the business intelligence is to help the business to make the better decisions, accurate report, extracting the informations from the data source. whereas big data is to capture, process and analyze data structure, unstructured, and improve the customer outcome. Okay. So the purpose is more or less same. Both are helping you by analyzing the things. The main key point is business intelligence is some older concept and big data is some newer concepts. Okay. So nowadays BI system they are using the concept of big data for storing, managing the data. It's not that you are working in BI business intelligence, so you should not know big data. That's not like that things. Both are integrated to serving you. So business intelligence, some business intelligence operation like ERP database, data warehouse, all that things, uh, and big data use Hadoop, Spark, HDFS, etc. So some business intelligence tool like Tableau, QuickSense, online analytical processing, okay, all of the tools, Google Analytics, whereas big data tools, Hadoop, Spark, Polybase, all that things. Business intelligence are use the features of analysis, interactive reporting. So in the case of business intelligence, the main focus on how to analyze and how to make the report. So how to present the things, how to visualize the results. And in the case of big data, it is much more concentrating on how to serve, how to store the data. Okay, the data may be larger volume, data having variety, velocity, variety, okay, variability, all that things. So business intelligence is basically helps to making the better business decisions, fast and more accurate reporting and analysis. And big data is basically the same purpose. Okay, better decision making, fraud detection, storage. So basically, if you say that analysis is analyzing the things, and big data is much more pointing on how to store the data, okay, how to manage the data, all that things. So so applications area both having the same applications area: social media, healthcare, game industry, and big data also banking environment. Okay, where the data is very large at that time, we need to store the data into the big data environment. Then we have to apply the business analytics, and finally we go to the intelligence for the reporting purpose. So the terms are very much similarity. Okay, one terms, okay, you cannot work in intelligence without knowing the analysis and the big data. Okay, so that's the things. So for the reference, you can go to this particular web link, you can find the things. If you have any questions, contact with me. Thank you for listening.